Hi everyone! So in this video, we are going to program this manually for our users that are just choosing to use it manually versus connecting with the app. So I have my machine here. I'm just going to plug it in. Alrighty, so it is plugged in, turned on. The screen is going to show the day of the week at the top. So it's going to be an abbreviated day of the week, and the time will be in military time. If you're in a different time zone, you'll just go ahead and adjust the time. So doing that, you'll just hit set. It's going to blink the hour, and you can just use the up and down arrows to adjust the hour. Since this is our time, we're just going to hit set. It's also going to do the minute, so if that's off by any minutes, you can just go ahead and use the up and down arrows to adjust the minute as well. Once you have that where you need it, you can just hit set, and that's going to blink the day of the week at the top. So if the day of the week is off, you can also use the up and down arrows to adjust the day of the week as well. So since everything is good, we're just going to hit set, and time is set, good to go. So the default time on this is going to be 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. at 20% diffusion. So if that's a bit too long of a run time, or if that doesn't fit your needs, we'll go ahead and adjust that. So we're just going to hit the mode button once, and that's going to take us to event 1 and the time you want it to turn on. So you can adjust that by pressing set, and that's going to start to blink the hour. So let's just say you want to do 9 a.m. So you'll hit the up arrow for 9, and then you'll set that hour. That's going to start to blink the minute, and we'll just get that down to 9. Okay, so once you're happy with that, go ahead and hit set, and that's going to start to fast blink Monday. If you don't touch anything and you want to keep it for every single day, that's perfect. You're just going to hit mode. You'll hit mode, and that's going to take you to the time that you want your first event to turn off. So mode, so you'll see event off, and you'll hit set, do 5 o'clock. So we'll use the down arrow to get to 1700 hours and get that down to 7. Okay, we've got it all set. All right, perfect. So that should be all good. So that's set to stop at 5 p.m. and hit the mode button, and that's going to take you to your percentage. So if 20% is a little too high, you can go ahead and adjust that down if you need, or you can go up if you need to. So we'll go down to 10% and set. Perfect. Your first event is scheduled, so the unit's going to diffuse for 6 seconds every minute, and it's going to do a working time for the fragrance to plume out of the unit, and it'll do the rest time for the rest of that minute. All right, so let's go ahead and schedule a second event. So we'll just schedule it for a time outside of 9 to 5. So you'll just hit the mode button again. That'll take you to your second event to turn on. So you'll just set, and let's do an 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So we'll just use the up and down arrow to do 8 o'clock. So we've got 8 o'clock to start, set, minute's good, set, and then mode to turn off the event. So we'll turn that off at 9. So what I did there is I hit mode and then set, and then you'll just go ahead and get to 9 p.m. set, and that's all good. So you hit the mode button to get that percentage. We'll leave it at 10 and mode. So now that takes you to event 3. If you need a third event or fourth or fifth event, you can do that, and you'll just repeat the same process. But just to get it back to the home screen, you'll just cycle through until you get back to the day and time.